Our customers tell us about many different factors currently that affect their overall equipment rental scenario. Let's look at these. Today, we have decentralization. While a necessary element of many organizations, this process challenges overall effectiveness. We have varying systems used to manage the rental process. Also have multiple employees involved in executing the rental of equipment and tools. Contacting numerous vendors who are enlisted to supply the needs of our equipment rental. Finally, there are numerous crafts which must be provided the right equipment and tools at the right time. The results of these factors impacting the equipment rental scenario are too much. There's too much equipment on rent, which will result in rental duplication. Too long. Rentals being kept past their estimated time frame, which results in unnecessary past due expenditures. And the scenario is just too complex. You have employees using multiple systems. Systems ranging from sticky notes to spreadsheets. There's also a term that I've heard which is swivel time. This reflects to an administrator sitting at their desk, going from a computer system, spreadsheet, to a manual system, and back to the computer system spreadsheet, swiveling back and forth in their chair to manage the equipment rental process. This all results in excessive costs and also excessive time spent managing the rental process. And it also reduces the productivity and efficiencies of your most valued assets, which are your employees. At best, this is a fragmented process that is reactive. And it puts your company at risk. So what is the greatest risk? The greatest risk is actually not knowing. Not knowing how to get from today to your future level of operational excellence. And this is defined or affected by equipment management. Failure to move away from your fragmented, reactive process limits an organization's potential future growth. How do some organizations address these equipment rental risks? A lot of organizations address them by looking at price. They look at the lowest line item price and think that this is the best way to manage equipment rental risk. The price, though, is only shown to have 1/6 the impact of facing the issue of too much, too long, and too complex. In other words, choosing to manage equipment rental by seeking the lowest price can send your organization into the abyss. That's why companies work with RSC. They work with RSC to find a better way to bridge the gap from today to a desired future. They recognize that equipment rental and equipment management is not only affects employee productivity, but also affects employee engagement and overall project success. Only by working with RSC will your company achieve organizational goals that they set out to achieve. Look at how best-in-class organizations are working with RSC to achieve these goals. First goal is visibility, improved visibility, and accountability. What if your team had total insight into all aspects of the rental process? Tools such as Total Control, RSC's Total Control, would give you unparalleled visibility management, functionality to optimize rental process, reduce redundancies, and late rental returns. RSC's Management by Exception strategy would allow your organization to focus on actionable data based on criteria that you defined, and allow you and your team to make the best strategic equipment decisions. Some firms also elect to take additional embedded GPS technology. Second goal is streamlined operations and processes. What if you had a partner in managing equipment effectively? RSC's Managed Services Strategy allows you a dedicated advocate who is intimately familiar with your organization and processes to assist in making sure that your equipment needs are managed most effectively. You will have the equipment and tools necessary to maximize your productivity. Most importantly, it would allow you to have a partner to assist you in maintaining a safe and efficient working environment. The third goal is cost control and cost reduction. What if you had the right tools and right strategy to make a substantial impact on your overall equipment costs and return on investment? With customized scorecards and key performance indicators benchmarked against industry standards, you and your team are empowered to operate at the highest possible levels of efficiency. You'll have customized data to validate and justify rental decisions across your entire operation. More importantly, allows you actionable information for future decisions. Companies are choosing to work with RSC to achieve these goals and refer to this overall strategy as RSC Consumption Management. While an unfamiliar premise, it's a new strategy that companies can leverage to magnify savings to a level 6 times that of price alone. And this can only be accomplished by working with RSC. Having the right equipment at the right time with streamlined processes that drive down cost savings, that drive cost savings down, is the heart of consumption management, and it is the bridge that crosses the gap from today to the future level of operational efficiency that positively affects the success of your organization. If you want to truly align all those factors of the equipment rental process and want to move away from a more fragmented, reactive process to a rental program that is, at its heart, proactive, and you want to replace risk with success, only clear path is to work with RSC. This is what best-in-class organizations are choosing to do. The combined power of you and RSC will drive your organization to unparalleled success. So what do you think?